Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. In this episode, I'd like to show you a new feature of how to pronounce the name of your profile in Microsoft Teams. So it's a new feature and it will help people to know how to pronounce the name or how to say it. So what do we need to do? So I'm in Microsoft Teams. I'll go to my account, which is Alex. I will click again on the profile, and now I'll see here a microphone which is new, and if you hover you will see it will say record how to say your name. So let's click it. Now it gives some information what to do up to 10 seconds, and everything should be with good quality. So let's click on this. Hello, my name is Alex Wilbur. Thank you for checking my name. Goodbye. Okay, so if we like it, we can keep it. If we want to make a retake, let's make a retake. Let's click on it. Hello, my name is Alex Wilbur. Thank you for joining and hope to collaborate with you. Goodbye. So let's click and save. Now we can see that there's a microphone. And if you want, you can manage your name and record again or delete it. So let's try to see how it works. What I will do is actually, I will go to a different profile and see if the same thing works. So I will look for Alex. If I can find him here, let's look for Alex. And this time I'm with a different profile. I'm with the profile of Ami Diamond. And let's click on his profile. I still don't see the pronunciation, but just a second, it might be a different tenant. So I will check again. Just a second, Alex, I need to look for the different for Ami Diamond at this profile. Here we are. And let's look for Alex again. And we should see the pronunciation. Yes. So listen to the name of the pronunciation. Hello, my name is Alex Wilbur. Thank you for joining and hope to collaborate with you. Goodbye. So as you can see, I'm now with the user of Ami Diamond, but I clicked on Alex and I received the recording that he did. Hopefully you like this feature. Test it on yourself. I just want to say that I did not need to do any additional configuration. It was automatically set up for me. So hopefully it's also available on your tenant soon. So thank you and goodbye.